What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at NEAR here, and as we can see, it's looking very bullish indeed. This is a really bullish chart, isn't it? You can see overall, if we just throw the fib retracement tool on as well, always good to see the fib levels to get some more confidence of what's been going on. You can see here, obviously we had this little bit of a range for a while. We kept hitting that all-time high at $7.60 there, but we rolled over, we come all the way down, we get our fib pull from high to low, and then since then you can see resistance, all the way up, support, nice little coiling motion here. We run all the way up to a new all-time high, which was that resistance at the 127 extension, pretty much on the money exactly, which we touched. Rolled over, we'll come back down, we lose the support of the previous all-time high, but we get support on these previous swing high levels here, pretty much perfectly around that $6.40-ish level, along with our 55 EMA there, scooping the price back up. You can see here we're coiling, looking really good, and then we have got that clean breakout here, where we come up, we break out of this pennant that we were forming here, looking really good, coming up to around $9.40 there, and then we do get that next new all-time high, coming up to around $13 there for NEAR, essentially a few weeks ago, and then since then, but a bit of a rolling over correction period. We did have a bit of a descending triangle here, but it looks as though we've really kind of scooped the price action up. And you can see here, I mean, it's really clear, isn't it? You've got this big cup and handle formation, and you know, if we do start to break out of this, as we've been saying for a long time here, we are heading up to that 141 extension in our opinion at around $14.50, maybe $15 psychological level. So we'd say overall, NEAR, obviously a top quality project. You can see this chart here, put this on auto, you can see very bullish chart. Macro higher high, higher low, higher high. To be honest, we could come all the way back down to that price at around, what was it, the previous all-time high of $7.60-ish, and still have a massive bounce to the upside and be really bullish, because, you know, NEAR is looking incredibly good right now. But we'd say overall, we're probably looking for a nice new all-time high pretty shortly for NEAR. You can see here, obviously a cup and handle formation here, and you can see our RSI is getting back into fair value, so we are just coiling up potentially for a move to the upside, which we do think is probably going to be coming fairly shortly though. So NEAR looking really good. Today, obviously having a bit of a rollover with the wider market, but you know, these things are to be expected. Currently having a bit of a range like this, but we don't think it will be long at all until we do start to see NEAR having a nice little move to the upside. So overall looking really good. We'd say things looking really good indeed, and obviously we'll do short-term price predictions then. You can see here we've got a little bit of a range going on, so we would expect the bottom of this range at around, you know, that psychological $10 mark to hold very nicely. $10 a very psychological support, along with our 20 moving average there. But we do think NEAR, it's looking like it's calling up for that big move to the upside, and realistically we're probably going to be seeing that $14.50 to $15 target really soon. And then obviously really nice 227 extension here at around $60. We do think NEAR is a project that could potentially start absolutely exploding once the DeFi starts to pop off on the chain, and we do think it could be, you know, potentially the next Solana, and we could see it, you know, heading up very quickly, very shortly. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.